What do I need to do next? I need to do a lot of things. There's actually our water supply for outside is in a big tank that we got from a public school that shut down. We dug it out. And, well, it's right here behind me. And there's also this big Eavestrough that comes across there, which I have to redo because it's kind of getting bent and cruddy. But anyways, that runs off that barn. So we collect all the water when it rains off this long barn right there. You've been through it where all the stalls are. So all the rainwater that comes off this side goes in the Eavestrough, comes down to the corner, comes down here and goes inside. We pump it out with a pump. It's got a hose that goes all the way down to the two fields down there. Plus we can take it over to that field over there. But let's just take a quick look and see how much water we got. Quite a bit. I'm gonna say half a tank, maybe a little more than a half a tank. And we've been using this straight for the last 3 weeks, like pretty much almost every day. And well, since spring, since I hooked the pump up in the spring, we're only half a tank down, and it hasn't rained for a month or so, like good enough. So that's my next job. I want to get that all fixed up because it looks pretty rotty. It's just sitting on like one beam. I kind of like to make a trough and do a little more better, because come winter, I don't know if that'll survive. We got to have a way to get our water in there, right? But that fills up no problem. It's a big tank too. It's a really big tank. I can't remember how many liters it is. I think 350,000 liters or something. A few gallons in there anyways. So that'll be my next job. Well, I don't know if it'll be my next one, but I'm sure you'll see it when I get at her. I should get at her soon. I've got probably everything here, the wood, everything here. But there we have it, folks. Another Saturday.
Chicken soup with Grumbles.
Done.
What an awesome meal. Chicken soup with Grumbles. I love how it makes me feel. Chicken soup with Grumbles. She loves it every time. Chicken soup with the Grumbles.